To begin installing Camweara Virtual Try-On, open your Shopify dashboard and go to the Apps section, then select Camweara Virtual Try-On. Once the app opens, read the splash screen instructions and click Next to proceed to the Upload section. Here, choose the category as Jewelry or Earring, then upload your background removed earring image. Make sure to include the SKU name and height in mm. Then click Save to complete the upload. Now return to your Shopify dashboard and go to the Online Store section. Click the Customize button to open the theme editor. From the drop-down at the top, navigate to the product pages where you want the try-on feature to appear. Click the plus, Add Block icon and select Apps Try-On button. You can now customize the style of the try-on button, adjusting its color, position, and appearance to fit your brand's design. Once you're happy with the setup, click Preview to see the virtual try-on experience live on your product page.